What's going on, guys? Motonosity here. Welcome back to the channel and another video. If you guys have been following along, you might remember from the last video that I mentioned a collaboration that I was gonna be doing with Wow Motorcycles. And we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff going forward with them. But today, I'm thrilled to reveal the first piece of that partnership. And last month, I picked up quite the beauty from their dealership. But welcome to the long-awaited finale to the Hypernaked tour. Now, a long time ago, I started testing, comparing, and just generally enjoying all of the Hypernakeds that are available on the market today. Well, I say all, I didn't get very far. Today, we're making things a bit more permanent. Now, you guys remember when I took out the Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory 1100?
Oh my God. Ah! This, oh man, freaking nakeds are the bomb. And I like riding nakeds in the city. Jeez, man, they just feel so much faster. That torque will get you. I gotta say, I'm impressed.
And of course, who can forget the KTM 1290 Super Duke R?
I'm telling you guys, like, if you haven't ridden a naked bike, dude, I'm barely touching this throttle. Oh my God! Woo! Hello. I get the freaking hype on this thing. I do like this more than the Hyper Motard. I really do. This gives me major vibes from the street triple that I rode. That was just such a fun naked bike to ride.
But while I was riding those bikes, there was something else brewing inside me. And I've been riding for a while, and there's one name that's kind of always hung in the air for me. Famous name, classic bike sound, just a whole vibe. Something I've always kind of wanted to check off my list. So here we are, and I know I did not finish testing all of the Hypernaked bikes out there. But you know what? I couldn't resist. I had to follow my gut, and forever, my gut was telling me, loud and clear, go for the Ducati. Now we got a lot of cool stuff coming out for this bike. In the next video, you get to see my first ride on the Street Fighter V4. And after that, of course, the build begins. And you guys know I work with Motivation all the time. We got a lot of cool parts coming out for them overnight from Japan, Austin. And start leaving your guesses and requests for mods down in the comments that you want to see on this bike. And of course, if you got a bike yourself, make sure you check out Motivation. They'll be linked down in the description so you guys can get all of your motorcycle parts. And if you don't have a bike yet, check out Wow Motorcycles. So you're gonna wanna stick around for this. We're gonna be diving deep into this Ducati journey. There's a lot to unpack, a lot of mods to install. We're gonna be pushing the bike to the limits, maybe knock out a few daily 100s. So if you're as stoked as I am for this, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you get notified of the videos coming out for this bike. But hey, as always, you guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower, keep life lived, and I'll see you guys in the next one.